2003 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, power windows, CD player, compass, fog lamps, passenger airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.